Hi everybody, I'm here to show you my spring picks, and I have some great ones for you that will help you this spring, summer, and onward. So my first spring pick, OLAPLEX number 4 Bonding Maintenance Shampoo. OLAPLEX's patented bond building technology repairs hair's damaged disulfide bonds, transforming dry brittle hair into soft, shiny, and manageable hair. So LovelySkin LUXE is my very favorite gel cleanser. It has 2% AFA Lux, 2% glycolic acid, and 2% salicylic acid. It packs a powerful punch, and it's a great cleanser, and it's something that will help with your acne, help with pigmentation, help with exfoliation, and it just does your skin a world of good. Next up, the SkinCeuticals Phyto Corrective Essence Mist. It's a phyto-botanical blend comprised of cucumber, thyme, olive leaf, and rosemary extracts, which helps to calm, soothe, and reduce visible redness. Now comes New Lash Professional Lash Enhancing Serum, my very favorite eyelash serum. 5 bioengineered polypeptides, essential proteins, antioxidant-rich vitamins, and conditioning ingredients promote well-hydrated, lustrous, and longer-looking lashes. It has such a great effect on the eyes, and we feel like it really will help to enhance your look. And my true all-time favorite is the FixMySkin 1% hydrocortisone healing balm. It is a body balm, and it's easy to use because guess what? It fits in your pocket. I'll show you. It goes on very easy. You can put it on your hands or other parts of your body. So consider this for the summer and winter too. And my favorite, EltaMD UV Clear, free gift with $99 purchase, $15 value. It's one of my personal favorites. It leaves a sheer, non-greasy finish. Niacinamide helps to calm blemishes, inflammation, discoloration, while hyaluronic acid attracts and retains moisture. And guess what? It doesn't cause acne, a true benefit of a sunscreen that you'll want to use. So enjoy. Last but not least, the Avene Solar UV comes in tinted and non-tinted formulas, all mineral sunscreen filters, lightweight and ideal for all skin types. Niacinamide calms skin and helps even skin tone. And it's a plant-based squalene hydrate, so it works very nicely. Thanks everybody for joining today. We hope you have a great spring and enjoy these picks.